Can I request you to greet me, please? Say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, something, huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. From the 9th standard onward, this is a problem in this school that no one wish any teacher. So everybody, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please, I'm requesting you, I'm begging you to please wish me. Everybody together. Learn, okay? The 2nd standard students and everybody will do this. So in 9th standard, I have to teach you this. Shweta, learn to wish a teacher. Learn. Learn to wish the teacher. When you come to the classroom, what you should do? Louder, I can't hear you. Sorry? Yeah. So what you should do when you see the teacher for the first time in the classroom?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
No, greet the teacher according to the time. Greet. Okay? Welcome the teacher or welcome the people with the right greetings. What is the time now? Is it afternoon or evening?
Evening.
So say it now.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Rachel, should I tell you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Huh? So sad about you. Don't you feel shame to make a teacher to tell you to wish the teacher? Don't you feel shame? Huh? So next class, in my next class, if you're entering my class, learn to greet me. Okay. Learn to greet people who deserve it. Otherwise, it's very shame on you. Simply sitting like buffoons. No response. Okay. I never taught buffoons in my entire life, seriously. Let's start it now. Identify the symbols which I'm pointing now. Everybody, unmute. Unmute now. Okay. What is the sound? Which is the sound I'm showing you now? You can't see the first one on the topmost corner?
M-E.
Yeah. Yeah. First one. Identify the sound and make it.
Ma'am, can I say?
Everybody together, all of you.
M-E.
E.
E.
Isha.
E.
E.
More longer. Okay, you have to make it more longer. It is E sound. E sound. Little more longer. Can you say it now together?
E.
E.
E sound. Okay, good one. Okay, next one is, what is this one?
I.
E.
E. E.
Louder.
E.
So I have a request to Isha. If you're always keeping it muted, it is going to be very difficult. Kindly unmute.
TV.
TV is talking. Can you just close the door? Or you are sitting in the same place?
Same room.
Same room. Why don't you go to another room? Because you should get a preference during this time, particularly we are now learning accent reduction. This is only working with the sound. Every time I am noticing that this is a problem in your place. Okay? Please work on it. What is the sound? Second sound? Who said I? Don't do rubbish things, please. Fizan, Okay, we are not learning alphabets. We are learning sounds. You are seeing the symbols. Every symbol has got a sound. Don't make me repeat this next time. Raya, Hazim, what is this next? This sound which I'm pointing now?
E.
E. Fizan? Rachel, should I tell you separately to unmute?
E.
Unmute.
Sorry, ma'am.
Stay unmuted every time. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Fizan.
Amy.
Yeah. E. So can you tell me the difference now? Now just switch between two sounds. When I point it, you just articulate the sound. This one.
First one E.
E. When I touch here, what you should make it?
E.
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 Who said A? Who said A? Be sincere. So now look at this next sound. What is this resembling to?
O.
Ooh.
O.
Fizan, unmute and say.
O.
Fizan, next time, if you mute, I'll remove you from the classroom.
U.
This one, say it again, everybody. I want to listen everyone's sound. Say.
O.
Ooh.
U.
It's not ooh, it is ooh. Stop it. Stop it there. Ooh. Like that. Make that sound now.
O.
U.
Ooh. So of course this one is
U.
ooh. Now can you make the differences like when I point it, everybody must say the word. Okay, say the sound. First one,
E.
E. Second one,
E. E.
next one,
U. U.
next one,
U.
clear. Ooh. So shall we learn all the sounds in this monophthong list today itself? Huh? Okay. Please write down this in, you have it in your notebook, right? You have copied this before?
English.
Huh? You have copied this before or not?
No, ma'am.
Second one, second column. Look here. Look here. This one. What is the sound? Ishak, tell me what is the sound? Open the app. Open the app. Sounds of English. Listen it. Everybody, open the app and listen it. Pisan, I'm going to remove you. This is the last warning I gave you. I told you already, if you are muting, you will be removed. Stay out. Hey, can everyone play this now? Everyone, I want to listen this from your device here in my ear. It is not A, it is A. When you listen, repeat with that. Repeat with that.
A.
A. Repeat 5 times.
A. A.
A. A. Kelvin, I can't hear you.
I'm seeing.
Isha, are you playing it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear it. So what you're supposed to do, when you play, you say it, Isha. You say the sound.
A.
Huh?
A.
How we can learn it? There is no other choice. We're all adults. I am also an adult, bloody adult, very old. Still, I learned like this. You also have to learn it. Okay? Isha, repeat it now.
A.
A. Say it 5 times.
A.
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 Anaj, say it 5 times.
A.
Everybody say 5 times.
A.
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 Good. All right. Okay. So I'm taking you back to the first sound. First sound. Isha, you identify this from the beginning. First one. What is the sound?
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
U.
Next one.
U.
This one. Latest one.
A.
A. Perfect. So Anaj, this is your turn. Identify this one. First one.
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
U.
Is it oo or oo?
U.
Next one.
U.
Good. So identify this one and say the sound again.
U.
Next one.
U.
This one. Latest.
A.
Okay. A. It is A.
A.
Not a. L is different. We have another sound for this one. Okay. So can you try from the beginning once again, Anuj? This one. First one.
E.
Second.
E.
Third.
U. U.
No.
U.
Fourth one.
U.
Fifth one.
A. A.
A. Good. Okay. Practice this when I'm talking to other students. Eva. Don't say that you have a network issue. Read this from the beginning. First one. Louder. I can't hear you.
E. E. O.
Eva. Others, please quiet. Please maintain silence. Eva. Louder. Why every week you are having this problem, Eva? Every week, why are you having this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Say it louder. I want to hear this one.
O. U. A. A.
Anuj, silence please. Anuj, silence please. Silence please. I'm talking to Eva now. Eva, start from this one.
Ma'am, Fisan is asking.
Don't ask anything now. Eva,
Ma'am. Can you hear me?
this one, first one, say it louder.
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
O.
No, the one which is I'm pointing now.
O.
Next one.
O.
Next one.
A.
A. Okay. Just do the exercise once again. First one.
E.
Once again.
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
U.
Next one.
U.
Another one. Last one.
A.
Good. So next time onwards, don't make me pissed off like this.
Ma'am,
Come with us
hand.
quick replies. Rachel,
Ma'am,
Yes,
Fisan
ma'am.
saying that he can't enter the class.
it's okay. I removed him. This one.
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
U.
Next one.
U.
Last one.
A.
Perfect. Can we do the drill once again, Rachel? First one.
Yes, ma'am. E.
Next.
E.
Next.
U.
Next.
U.
Next.
A.
Good. Delvin, do the drill. First one.
E.
Next.
E.
Next.
Photo എടുക്കല്ല.
U.
Next.
U.
Next.
A.
A. Perfect. Raya.
E.
Once again.
E.
That is a long vowel sound, Raya. So it is not E, it is E.
E.
Once again.
E.
Next one.
E.
Next one.
U.
Next.
U.
Next.
A.
A. Good. Shweta,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
E.
Wrong. First one is long
E.
vowel sound. More,
E.
more longer.
E.
Good. Next.
E.
Next.
U.
Next.
U.
Ooh. Okay. Next one.
A.
A. Perfect. So I want you to do it once again, Shweta.
E.
No. Say
E.
Echa. Say Echa.
Icha.
That's the E you have to say. Okay?
E.
Next one.
E.
Next.
U.
Next.
U.
Good. Next one.
A.
A. Perfect. Roshan.
Yes, ma'am. E. E.
No. Wrong. What's the first one?
E. E.
No.
E.
Then you now identify the difference. You are saying it in both same way. Okay. Next one. Next one.
O.
Last one.
A.
Good. Angelo,
Yes, ma'am.
read it.
E.
Next.
E.
Next.
U.
Next.
U.
Next.
A.
Good. Okay. Anaj, last time. It's your turn.
E.
Good.
E.
Next.
U.
Yes.
U.
Yes.
A.
Perfect. All right. So these are the 5 sounds we learned. We will continue with the monophthong section next week. All right. But don't forget, please, for God's sake, you look at this app and learn it every day. Otherwise, next week you will forget. I cannot finish the syllabus if it is going like this. I wanted to finish the entire consonant sounds this week itself. Okay, but we couldn't. So kindly support the class and learn it properly. Thank you.
Ma'am, Fisa.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any doubt? No. Perfect. So what you should